Once nakapag-enroll na kayo ng account, Tofu baby, why are you sniffing mommy? Why are you sniffing mommy? Say hello baby. Hello everyone. This is the baby bear. Hello. Hi, Ray here and Tofu. On this video, I'm gonna show you how to enroll billers and third-party accounts on the BPI online app. So, bakit nga ba natin kailangan gawin ito? The advantage of enrolling third-party BPI accounts on the app is that makakatipid tayo sa transfer fees. Because if we don't use an enrolled account, ang transaction fee is 10 pesos. Another way to waive transfer fees is isasend natin yung money natin through a QR code. You can check out this video kung paano mag-generate ng QR code. Aside from enrolling third-party accounts, pwede din tayo mag-enroll ng billers. Ang purpose nito is so that we could pay our bills through the BPI online app. Once nakapag-enroll tayo ng accounts, mas madali na for us and more convenient to transfer money. Okay, so let's head on to the tutorial. Once you open the account, click on the upper left icon, go to other services. Down here, manage recipients and then manage billers and payees. Okay, now add new recipient. Select natin yan. We are going to add other person's accounts kasi we want to add a third-party BPI account. Okay, now type in the account name. So, ito dapat yung name na ginagamit niya on his or her account. And then, of course, the BPI account number. And then, select the relationship to the account owner. Lagay lang natin dyan, colleague. Since friend ko siya. Purpose is, select na lang natin gift. Kasi for demonstration purposes to, bigyan ko na lang siya ng 100 pesos. And then, click next. Double check the details and click confirm. Enter your PIN or your Face ID. Ayan, so makikita nyo that the enrollment of the account was successful. You can check the details here and then just click done. So makikita nyo, mag-reflect na siya dito. Ayan, other person's accounts and the account is already listed there. In order to enroll a biller naman, same process. Click the upper left icon, go to other services, and then manage recipients, manage billers and payees, tapos add new recipient, select the type of recipient, on this case, billers naman tayo. And then we select a biller. Madami tayong options. May mga insurances, schools, for tuition fees, may mga telcos, and other billers. For example, ang pipiliin natin is si Manulife. So, type lang natin si Manulife dyan, Manulife Philippines. And then, reference number will be your policy number. Okay? Hindi ko i-register because I already have Manulife Philippines as a biller on my account. By the way, if you guys want to get Manulife insurances, I am an insurance advisor under that company. You can check the description box below for more details. So it's that simple. Your biller will already be enrolled. And mas madali na siya for you to pay the bills via the online app. Once nakapag-enroll na kayo ng accounts or billers, pwede na kayo magbayad or mag-transfer ng money for free. Pwede nyo i-check tong video for how that works. By the way, kung wala pa kayong BPI account, you can check these videos. Didiscuss ko kung paano mag-open ng BPI accounts on the bank and through online. In order to invest using the BPI online app, you could also check these videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something on this video. I'd appreciate it if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos in my release. Thank you guys. Bye! By the way guys, naka-cone tong si Tofu kasi meron siyang boil sa neck niya and then pinutok niya and then nagkasugat siya. Tapos kinascratch niya, making it worse. No. Love you. Kaya yun, naka-comb siya ngayon. Say hello to everyone. Baby bear. Love, 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 love. Kainin kita dyan eh.